He is suffering from fever. He is suffering from fever. I don't agree. I don't agree. It is nothing like that. It is nothing like that. He has fever. He has fever. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? We have two shops. We have two shops. What happened? What happened? Not to worry. Not to worry. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. What's the matter? What's the matter? You have many sorrows. You have many sorrows. We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. Raja had to sing a song. Raja had to sing a song. Father had to go to India. Father had to go to India. May I accompany you? May I accompany you? Though, I was thinking. Though, I was thinking. We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. Is Raja coming? Is Raja coming? Is Raja in? Is Raja in? Understood? Understood?